What this is a mashup between the Bitcoin blockchain and Super Mario Brothers. And what it is I took the game of Full Screen Mario JSON, which is an existing JavaScript implementation of original Super Mario Brothers, and I took all the transactions, well, not all the transactions, but one block of transactions from the Bitcoin blockchain. So it queries the Doge chain.doge or whatever API, and because that's the one that gives you all the transaction data for the blocks. So what you have is you always have a big transaction at the very beginning of the level because that's the Coinbase transaction, and then as you go through the level, all the coins in the original game are replaced with coins from Bitcoin transactions. So that's what you see here. When you see like a really big one like this, it means there was a lot of inputs, a lot of value, and if it's wider, it means there's a lot of outputs too. And so you can look down below and you can see the algorithm. This determines basically how the new coins are created. Yeah, so this is the core bit of code right here, which is Satoshi.add coins per block. So basically, it just goes through all the transactions in each block, and it sets the density for the batch of coins and the X position, the Y position, the width, and the height, and then it adds it to the map basically. And that's what it does. Oh, and the other thing that it does. So if you look here at the top, you have the world is block 327952. So what that is that's basically just showing what it does is it looks at the last 10,000 blocks in the Bitcoin blockchain, more or less, and it selects a random one, and then it randomly chooses a level like mod 31 or 32, and then it picks that level, and then what it lets you do is it lets you play back through the original game backwards, back towards the Genesis block. So when you get to the end of the level, it goes to the previous world, and then you go through that one. So if you had enough time, you could play through all the blocks in Bitcoin, going back to the very first one, and that's what it gives you. Yeah. And that's it.
Well, that's it. We'll have some reflection from Zaki and